Well, the Mahayuti was home with that massive mandate. Now they are they are safe, but not without a bit of a snide jibes shared herein to the press conference right after. The tension between Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar, very well masked with a few harmless jibes and a bit of fun. Listen in.
उनका समझ में आएगा मैं तो लेने वाला हूँ
So to quickly take you through on what exactly was meant there, you had Eknath Shinde who was asked, will you also be taking oath alongside Devendra Fadnavis tomorrow? Well, in that Eknath Shinde says, wait for the evening and we'll let you know. On the other hand, Ajit Pawar who says he's going to wait for the evening, but I'm going to take oath. And then Eknath Shinde retorted that Ajit Dada is used to taking the oath early in the morning and even in the evenings. And that is when everyone broke out in laughter because many still also remember what happened in the wee hours of early morning where Ajit Pawar had taken oath as Deputy CM with Devendra Fadnavis as Chief Minister. What now? Because one thing is clear, Devendra Fadnavis is making a comeback as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And you can clearly see, you know, what we've done is, viewers, if you see that graphic which is playing, all three men who are going to be a part of the Maharashtra government, the Chief Minister, Devendra Fadnavis, his career trajectory. He was CM, then he was Deputy CM, and then he comes back now as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Very interesting, because he did say with conviction when he lost out as being the Chief Minister and even the Deputy CM, he had come back and said, I will make a comeback. And you can see that. Eknath Shinde, very interesting there. Chief Minister, will he now take the position of Deputy Chief Minister is the big question. And one constant bar that you see all through cut across is Ajit Pawar, who's constantly been Deputy Chief Minister, who on our platform had also said कि मेरा गाड़ी सिर्फ डेप्यूटी सीएम तक जाता है उसके आगे मैं जितना कोशिश कर लूं अभी नहीं चल रहा है. Well, this is his fate this time as well. That's the hand he's been dealt by the voters of Maharashtra.